Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add AI chat to Wix website. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply click on add apps and then simply search for AI, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter AI chat and then simply click on so as you can see, if you want you can add this one which is completely free from Wix. So you can simply open it, and basically what you're gonna have to do, so as you can see we have Wix chat by default, so you're gonna have to simply go to settings, and then here you can manage the chat, you can open the inbox, and you can set up automations. So basically you can add automated messages, and basically it's gonna answer the questions of your visitors. As you can see, auto reply to chat messages, so you're gonna have to simply set up them, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.